How to fix common error in Reddit. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. If you have to fix common error in Reddit, you could try or you could go with the basic troubleshooting steps. That includes checking your internet connection first thing. So sometimes it could be due to the internet or unstable internet connection. Simply go to settings from your device, and next you want to click on internet and network, after which you want to click on internet over here. And when you click on internet, what you need to do is next you simply want to go ahead and locate the internet that you're connected to, and then refresh or restart or maybe reconnect to some other data. That should be able to help you out as well. If the issue still persists on, you could also try cleaning your cache as well as browser. You could do this in the Reddit app itself or on the web browser as well. Click the avatar icon from the top right, go to settings from the list, and here you just want to go to data and permission, something like that. And once you go to the data and permission section, you could just go ahead and clear the cache, and that should be able to help as well. Similarly, to clear cache, you could do this step as well. That is, launch open settings once again on your device, locate app from the list, click on Reddit, and then go to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. And next, if the issue still persists on, you could also turn off VPN or any sort of extension if you're using. That should be able to help fix your common error as well. So despite doing all this, if nothing works out, try updating the app. That if that also doesn't work, then you could also try refreshing or maybe reinstalling your app. That should be able to help you out. So this way you should be able to fix. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.